Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be working on the BMW 7 Series. Now we're going to be replacing the windshield wiper blades. Now this is not just going to be any windshield wiper blade replacement video. These windshield wipers that we're going to be installing today are the most expensive that I've ever came across. Now then, the windshield wiper blades that we're going to be installing today are these Bosch twin spoiler windshield wiper blades, and yeah, these things are not cheap. I'm pretty sure they were like 60 or 70 pounds, which if you're in the US is about $100. Yes, $100 for just two windshield wiper blades. Okay then, so this is what the windshield wiper blades themselves look like, and to be honest, they don't really look too much different to a regular windshield wiper blade, apart from this thing on the front of it, which they like to call a spoiler. I don't know why, I don't really know what it does. I can only assume that it deflects water away somehow. If any of you guys know, do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I think we'll just get on to installing them really. So yeah, without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so as you can see we have the BMW 760Li here. And you could just remove the original wiper blades in this position, but BMW actually have a service position for the wiper blades, and it just makes it a little bit easier, and I'll show you exactly how to activate that service mode right now. Okay then, so what you want to do is get inside of the car, insert the key into the ignition, turn the ignition on, and then turn the ignition off. And make sure it is fully off. And then what you want to do is hold the wiper stalk in the uppermost position. And as you can see, the wipers have raised up into the service position now. And as you can see now, the wiper blades are much more accessible. So what you want to do is fold it outwards. And then when it comes to removing the wiper blade itself, it's actually very easy to do so. All you need to do is lift this little tab there, and then it should pull away. So lift that tab, and then, yeah, just pulls straight off. Just going to give the wiper arm a bit of a clean. And then if we get our new wiper blade, it should be the exact opposite of removal to install. Make sure I've got it the correct way around. Believe that's correct, yep. Slide it in, and then down slightly so it catches on, and it's easy as that. And that was actually probably the easiest wiper blade I've ever installed. I mean, I know replacing wiper blades is not exactly a difficult task anyway, but yeah, that literally just slotted straight in and then down, and as you can see, this little tab here is securing it nicely onto the arm. Now just got to do the exact same for the other one. So easy. And now we'll take them for a spin. Look at that, perfect, job done. Okay then, so that is the very expensive windshield wiper blades on the BMW 7 Series now replaced. If you are following along at home, I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!